first call was to his buddy.
Yeah.
Like, immediately. Like, he didn't go into hiding.
That's loyalty. Breaks up with his lady, but calls his best friend.
Yeah. They went to the headquarters together.
Yeah.
And to pick up the winnings, they each took home. So they split it down the middle.
He split it right in half?
Yep. So after,
that is a homie.
Yeah, after taxes, they each got $128,000.
Oh my goodness.
So that's not just like, because we were talking, if you won the Mega Millions, you're like, how much do you want? And I was like, could I get 10?
Yes. If I won 300 mil, you'd get 10. I'd probably break Jason off 10, and then that's it.
I mean, that's still, I'd be okay if you gave me one.
I know.
Or 100,000 or $100.
My wife is listening right now, horrified. What kind of deals are you making?
Now, keep in mind, Mega Millions up to $630 million for Friday's drawing. So if you made it back with anybody.
Well, that is a friend, man. Right now. I like that. That's good news. My good news is just it's my daughter's birthday.
Happy birthday!
She turned 8, so I got to play the song. And
what's this from?
I think this is like Disney or something. She's a Disney freak, so.
Oh, because I could sing her the Bennigan song.
I don't even know what that is.
Happy birthday on this your special day. Happy birthday. That's why we're here to say, hey, happy birthday. May all your dreams come true. Happy birthday from Marcus and Corey to you.
I like that. Can we get that on a video? The reason, look, I just want to say, like, I'm very proud of you. Daddy is thrilled of the amazing human being that you've become. And it blows my mind that, like, we started on this show a year before she was even born.
Yeah.
So a lot of people listening to our show grew up with my daughter. And if you had a baby the same time, 2014, same year as my daughter, I feel like our kids grew up together.
Yeah.
Like the number of calls that I get saying, my son just turned 8, my daughter just turned 8. It's always because it feels like a big family.
Yeah.
And then also I'm a weirdo because every time I go to a birthday party, I always go to the parents, congratulations.
Because congratulate them on the birth.
Well, that, and I congratulate them on, like, because it's tough being a parent. It's not easy being in charge of somebody else. And so, like, if you can accomplish another trip around the sun and everything's cool, I feel like you should get a shoulder tap on that.
Yeah, that's nice.
So, happy birthday to my little girl. She's a glorious human being, and I'm so proud of her. And she's 8 today, so there you go. That's my good news. 7:44. We're gonna check what's trending here in a few minutes. What do you got?
Well, we just found out that Elon Musk's dad
Like to populate the earth.
Is a nutburger.
We'll tell you about that and more right after Sam Smith. It's his latest. It's Love Me More.
Have you ever felt like being somebody else? Feeling like the mirror isn't good for your health. Every day I'm trying not to hate myself, but lately it's not hurting like it did before. Maybe I am learning how to love me more. It used to burn every insult everywhere, but it helped me learn self-worth I had to earn. So I every night to sit with sorrow, and eventually it set me free. Have you ever felt like being somebody else? Feeling like the mirror. Every day I'm trying not to hate myself, but lately it's not hurting like it did before. Maybe I am learning how to love me more. Just a little bit, love me more. Just a little bit, love me more. Oh no, love me more. Just a little bit, love me more. I used to cry myself to sleep at night. I blame the sky when the mess was in my mind. I couldn't see, I couldn't breathe, so I sat with sorrow, and eventually it set me free. Have you ever felt like being somebody else? Feeling like the mirror isn't good for your health. Every day I try
Marcus and Corey.
Good morning from Star 1013. Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes. But it's the only thing that I know. It's hard. You know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel alive. We keep this love in a photograph. We make these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, our hearts are never broken, frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't
Almost 2 years.